Hi, I'm Leanne at Welland Power and this is the UCI274F1 Stamford alternator for our generator sets. This alternator has a Class H installation system, a double layer concentric stator winding, 2/3 winding pitch and 12 winding leads, single bearing. The prime power at 50 Hz would be 160 kVA. For any more information or quotes for a complete generator set using this alternator, please click the link after the video or see our telephone number and email. We'll be happy to help.